The SIKAKEYB Castle HM66 is making waves in the gaming keyboard scene, and for good reason. This tankulous TKL keyboard is designed with competitive esports in mind, packing some serious tech into a compact form factor. The star of the show is undoubtedly the new generation GATERON Jade magnetic switches. These switches offer a silky, smooth typing experience, and the rapid trigger function is a game changer for fast-paced games. What truly sets them apart is the adjustable trigger point, allowing users to fine-tune the actuation between 0.01mm and 4.0mm with incredible 0.01mm precision. This level of customization means you can dial in the exact responsiveness you desire, catering to your specific play style and preferences. Connectivity is also top-notch, with ultra-fast, low-latency performance and support for an 8K polling rate. This ensures that every key press is registered instantly, giving you a competitive edge. Beyond the tech specs, the HM66 also focuses on delivering a premium typing experience. The GATERON magnetic Jade switches utilize Hall effect triggering technology, which contributes to their smooth feel and precise actuation. The ability to freely set pre-travel and take advantage of the rapid trigger function further enhances the typing experience. The keyboard's design also incorporates features to minimize noise. Pour-on sound-absorbing cotton and bottom pads are strategically placed to eliminate unwanted sounds, resulting in a cleaner and more focused typing sound. The unique characteristics of the magnetic switches also mean that you don't need to bottom out the keys. The keys can be stopped with a lift of just 0.01mm and re-triggered with a press of 0.01mm. The SIKAKEYB Castle HM66 is compatible with GH60-60% 66 keys layouts and features Esports tankulous RGB PBT keycaps and a USB-C connection. The keyboard is available in white. Overall, the SIKAKEYB Castle HM66 appears to be a well-engineered and feature-rich gaming keyboard. The adjustable magnetic switches, rapid trigger function, and low-latency connectivity make it a compelling option for competitive gamers looking for an edge. The focus on typing feel and noise reduction also makes it a great choice for anyone who appreciates a premium keyboard experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.